Bybit account, right, I don't need to verify anything, right? Just start from there can already, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I repeat again, go to bybit.com. Okay, you will see this Oracle Red Bull Racing Constructors Champion 2022. Okay, celebrate the 2022 Constructors Champion and claim the exclusive free Lay the Lightning Azuki NFT. Okay, just click claim now. Okay, so just scroll down and then I think click claim now over here. Yep. So if you have claimed yours, so if you have clicked claim now, okay, your claim now should be in red. Okay. Okay. Okay, once you've done that, log into your Bybit account. Right. So once you have clicked claim now, you'll be on the whitelist. And then after that, later on after the training, just go through the details, okay, to see how you can claim your NFT. All right. Okay, so now tonight we're not talking about NFTs. We're talking about trading. So once you have done that, just log into your Bybit account. Okay. All right. So I hope you have transferred some USDT to your Bybit account. Okay, in your Bybit account, there will be two wallets of concern. Okay, one is your spot wallet. Okay, when you do spot trading. So if let's say you want to buy coins on spot, you transfer USDT to your spot wallet. Okay. Right. Normally, okay, usually this is where you transfer your USDT to. Okay. So after your okay, some exchanges allow you to transfer USDT directly to your derivatives wallet. Okay, this is the wallet for trading futures. Okay, so the other wallets just ignore them. Okay, just focus on this wallet, derivatives, and spot wallet. So just in case you can't transfer USDT to your derivatives wallet directly, okay, you can only transfer it to your spot. Right. So what you do is very simple. Once the USDT come into your spot wallet, okay, over here you see this word transfer. Okay, by the way, how do you get to this page? Okay, over here you see assets. Okay, top right hand corner. Okay, you see assets, you will see your spot wallet, derivatives wallet, okay, etc. So when you click your spot wallet, you will come to this page. Okay, so just in case, as I said, you can't transfer directly to your derivatives wallet, very simple. Your USDT will end up here. Okay, what you do is locate your USDT. Okay, go move over to the right, click the word transfer. Okay, this menu will appear. Okay, so over here you can transfer from whatever wallet to each other, right? So you can transfer from spot to derivatives, okay, or vice versa, derivatives to spot. Okay. Yep. Then just type in, okay, choose the coin you want to transfer. Usually it will be USDT. Type in the amount you want to transfer, and then click confirm. Okay, that's all. Very, very simple. How you transfer from a spot wallet to derivatives. Okay, first thing I want to start off is spot trading. Okay, buying the coins that you want to keep into your portfolio. Okay, so if you want to do spot trading, very simple. Just come over here at the top menu. Okay, under trade, you'll see spot trading. Okay, just move your cursor to trade. Okay, you'll see spot trading, margin trading, etc. Okay, so for don't care about the rest, right? Just focus on spot trading. Okay, just click spot trading. Okay, don't touch margin trading, right? Okay, so this is your spot trading interface, user interface. Okay, it's very simple. Okay. Okay. Remember, spot trading is buying the coin to keep. Okay, not buying futures. Remember that. Okay, so over here you can only buy and sell. You can't we don't do longing and shorting over here. So where do you find the coins that you want to buy? Okay, over here. Just move your cursor to this area here, right? Okay, and this menu will appear. So type in the coin that you want to buy. Okay, make sure it's a USDT. Okay, the USDT pair. So let's say you want to buy Solana, you just type SOL. Okay, choose Solana USDT pair. Click it. Okay, you will come to the Solana USDT pair. All right. So just in case you are curious, you want to know what the coin is or what project it is all about. Okay, you can move your cursor over here, right? Solana. Okay. Then Bybit will give you a brief introduction of what Solana is all about, or what the coin is all about. Okay, what the project is all about. Right. Okay. Right. Then over here, you give you the website link to go to if you want to find out more about the project or the coin. Okay. Then this is where you can find a white paper of the project. Okay. For those of you who have attended my crypto fundamentals and investment workshop, you will know that the white paper is very important. Okay, it's something that you need to go through, you need to read in order to understand more about the project. Okay, I won't go to it. I won't go into details today, right? Okay, so this is where you can buy and sell your coin, right? So where to buy and sell over here? Okay, if you want to buy, click long. If you want to sell, click short. Simple. Okay, and you see this button here changes from buy to sell. Okay, buy, sell. Okay, so let's say you want to buy Solana at $12. Okay, you think that's $12 is the price that you want to pay. Okay, yeah, before that, come over here and click trading view. Okay, instead of using the standard chart. Okay, click trading view. Okay, so let's assume you think that $12 is the support. Okay, you want to buy at $12, so just type order price $12. Okay, how many Solana you want to buy? 100, whatever. Okay, so this is the price that you're going to pay. Okay, if the price reaches your order price, $12. So if you're okay with this, then just click buy. Okay, so let's say I want to buy 10 Solana, right? So $120. In my account, I have $240, so obviously I can buy. So click buy.
I think I accidentally clicked on margin trading instead.
I might just click it, like just get rid of it. Congratulations, you're successful. Enable cross margin trading. Please make sure to read. Okay, skip now. All right, just don't touch it. All right, you can click it, but you don't touch it. Okay, so like I said, okay, I want to buy 10 Solana. Wait, make sure it's limit price. Okay, limit price. You have limit price, market price. So make sure it's limit price. I want to buy Solana at $12. Okay, so you see current orders here. Solana USDT limit order buy $12. Okay. So simple, right? So sell, do the same thing. Once you have the token, if you want to sell at $14, then just come over here, go to short, make sure it's limit order, type $14, the amount of sold you want to sell, let's say 10. Okay, so this is the order value. If it is sold at $14, you will get back $140. Okay, which means you make $20. Okay, then just click sell. Okay, simple. Right, spot trading, not very complicated. Okay, very straightforward. Just buy and sell. All right. Then of course, you have this feature over here. Okay, where you can sell your take profit and limit and stop loss in advance. And then you don't have to monitor the trade anymore. Okay. Got it? Okay, so let's say for example you bought at $12, right? Okay, you want to sell at $14. So this will be the price that you want to sell. Okay, this is the trigger price. So trigger price slightly below $14, let's say 13.9. Okay, the quantity 10 Solana. Okay, if you want to sell, it will obviously be short lah. Okay, so this is your take profit. Okay, so after setting your take profit, you want to set a stop loss. Okay, very same thing. You bought at $12. Let's say you want to get out at $11. Okay, if the price turns against you. So order price $11. Trigger price slightly above 11, let's say 11.1. Okay, quantity 10. Then click sell again. So you have two orders. One is your take profit, one is your stop loss. Okay, then you don't have to monitor the trade anymore. Okay, that's for spot trading. Okay, very simple. Huh? Any questions? Okay, for those of you who are new, please do not type your questions in the chat box. If you want to ask me any questions, just unmute yourself and ask. Okay, because the chat box is closed. If I don't close it, it will block up my screen. Okay, so if you type your questions in the chat box, I won't know, right? So just unmute yourself and ask questions. Any questions regarding spot trading on Bybit?
No, sir.
Okay, who's that? Who's that?
Sashir.
That call me?
Sashir.
Hey, we are not in the army here or school. You don't have to call me sir, man, bro.
No, boss.
Okay, we are not in a company either, so don't call me boss also. Okay, so no questions. I will move on to derivatives. Okay. So if you want to trade futures on Bybit, okay, just come over here, the top menu, move your cursor to derivatives. Okay, then you'll see this menu. Okay, after that, click USDT perpetual. All right. So this is what we like to do, right? Trade futures. Okay. Can you see my charts? My trading view chart? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Can.
Yes.
Can.
So anybody want to
Oh.
trade anything tonight? Just give me a coin. Tonight, let's do some live trading as well, okay? Give me a coin.
DYDX.
That's DYDX, DYDX, DYDX. I don't have it here. Yeah, I think DYDX we can long tonight. But there's a possibility to long, okay? If it breaks above this 200 MA, right? The first warning sign already took place over here on a 1 hour chart. Okay. The 10 EMA is going to cross the 50 EMA. Okay, if it continues upwards, the 21 EMA should also cross the 50 EMA. Right. Okay. But then again, it might hit 200 MA and come down. So depends on you guys whether you want to take the risk or not. Okay, on a 15 minutes chart, it looks very nice. Okay, on a 15 minutes chart, everything broke above the 200 MA. So let's see how, right? Once this goes down and then goes back into the blue zone, let's long it. Okay, short trade lah. Right. Anyway, the MACD on a 15 minutes chart is trading above the zero line. Okay, 30 minutes chart also looks nice. Okay, just have to wait for it to go back down into the oversold area. Okay, and then see what it does. Okay, see whether it curves back up or not. or whether it goes horizontal. Okay, if it curves back up, later we will long it. So somebody have to monitor lah, huh? Okay, on a 15-minute chart and 30-minute chart. 1 hour chart, too long. Okay, 1 hour chart, the stochastic is still at the top. Okay, no way it will go down here before my training finish. So just look at the 15-minute, monitor the 15-minute chart. Let's do a short trade. Okay, if it goes down, most likely it will be in the retracement zone, which is perfect. Okay, and then if it goes up, that means it will bounce off the retracement zone. We will take a short profit. Okay, let's assume our entry is somewhere here. Okay, we'll take our profit here lah. Short one. Okay, our stop loss will be here. Tight stop loss. Okay, just for practice. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, risk to reward ratio is 3. Okay,
Kelvin, how did you do that risk to reward ratio thing?
here, over here. Who's
Where
that,
is?
Who's
Oh,
that,
there. Prediction and measurement tools, is it?
You just graduated, right?
Yeah.
Here, over here. On your trading view.
Okay.
So this part here, you have long position, short position. So this is normally what I use to measure my risk to reward ratio.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
See whether is it worth taking the trade or not. So this is obviously worth taking the trade. Okay, if like I said, you wait for it to come down. So if stochastic were to come down here, that means the price would most likely be around here lah. Yeah, unless it goes shoom all the way through, then we don't trade, right? We don't go long. Okay, if it's just stop somewhere here, okay, we can go in. Right, so let's assume here lah, the blue line. Yeah, okay, and this would be our exit. So it's still more than 1.5. Of course, the lower it goes, the better. Okay, our risk to reward ratio becomes small. Okay, so just monitor for us, huh? Okay, so DYDX. Okay. Any more coins? Let's pick one more. One more for shorting lah.
We are looking at trading view. Oh.
Okay, let's take a look at the screener. RSR. Okay, tonight we use shorter time frame, okay? Try to look for something that can go in, fast out. Okay, C98. E. EQ. Mask.
Hey bro, how about mana?
How about mana?
Wanna look at mana? See whether it's you're looking for something to short, right?
Yeah, let's look for something to short. You tell me, mana. Ben looks good. Ben.
Mana.
The MACD is far away from zero.
Bro, mana the 30-minute looks okay lah. 15 I think a bit boy.
CRB.
15 is already down.
Huh? Okay, let's go for Ben. Okay, someone help me to monitor Ben, all right? This one. And okay, let's go in FLM. FLM can go in, can try already. All right. Stochastic is going down. MACD is pointing downwards. This thing is light green. Hopefully dark red comes out next. Okay, like that. All right. Then we'll make a little bit of money. Okay. So very simple.
Kevin, for FLM, we are shorting.
Yep. We are shorting.
Okay.
Kelvin,
0.07. Yep.
you here. After the live trade, can you show us the settings for the derivatives, for the futures trading, all the settings, the position mode and whatnot?
What settings are you talking about?
There's this preference, the trade preference, right? The position mode, is it hash mode or one way? All the different settings there.
Now I'm going to show you. No need later.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
Because
come
I
over
just
here.
created
Oh, FLM. Oi, why go so down so fast? Haven't even put in yet. Damn it. Allow. Sad, man. Okay, next time fingers must be fast. Okay, run already. Okay, never mind. Just use this as practice, all right? Okay. So So once you have found the coin, your entry, your stop loss, your take profit. Okay, once you have determined where those three prices are, okay, come over to your panel here, right? So first thing is make sure your preferences over here. Okay, always choose one-way mode and TP stop loss on selected position. Okay. Okay, remember. Okay, this one can easily forget. Okay, so you just need to remember. All right. Okay, I wanted to go in at 0.7770 initially. Okay, now it has run already. I don't know whether you go back up or not. Okay, but I'm not gonna change my entry just because this thing went down. Okay, don't FOMO and chase the dip. Okay, right. If this thing continues to go down, then so be it. Okay, we cancel the order. So I want to go in at 0.7770. Okay. So limit order 0.7770. Okay, can you see this small little thing over here? This little arrow.
Yeah, can.
Who cannot? For example. Okay, how to get this is okay. You need to select hash. You need to select hash mode first.
Okay.
If you select one-way mode, you won't have that thing, you won't have that small little arrow. So you select hash mode, then you get that. Okay, why I bring this out is because some of you may be too familiar with FTX. Okay, normally in FTX, when we key in our orders in US dollars, right? Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you come to Bybit or Binance or KuCoin or some other exchanges, you may not be familiar because it doesn't show USD here. Okay, it shows the coin, right? So if let's say you want to switch back to USD, then obviously you need to make sure this is hash mode. Then over here, you see this small little arrow down. Okay, you click. You can select order by cost in USDT. Then you click confirm. So it goes back to USDT. All right. But if you are okay with whatever coin here, then just forget it lah. Right? Just stick to the normal. Okay. 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 So 0.7770. Okay, we're gonna short, right? So how much do I want to buy? Actually, you don't need that USDT thing here to know how much you're actually paying for the trade. Okay, because how much you're paying will be stated here.
Kevin, your price entry is wrong.
What price actually is wrong?
You short of a zero.
Oh, wow. Okay. Right. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. So like I said, you actually don't need to go through this extra step of switching this to USDT, okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Because your cost will be here. How much you're paying for the trade, actually. Okay. So that means if let's say I buy 1,000 FLM futures, I'm only paying $7.86. Okay. So let's say if I want to pay $100 for this trade, for example, then just I mean, this is normally what I do lah, huh? Okay, 1,003,125. Okay, so about there lah, 12,500. So I'm paying about $98. Okay, if I want to short, I'm paying about $99 for this trade on a 10x leverage. Right. So this is my position size. $979. Because I'm using 10x leverage. That's why I'm paying $99. Okay. This cost here includes your fees. Y'all get it so far? Okay. If let's say I were to change this to 20x, for example. Okay. Now my cost goes down to $50. Okay. But my position size is still the same. All right. So one more thing is remember to click isolated. Okay. Always choose isolated. Okay, so let's stick with 10x leverage lah, huh? Okay. Another thing about leverage is the higher the leverage, okay, the closer the liquidation price is to your entry. In other words, okay, the higher your leverage, the easier you get liquidated. So you need to have a balance. Okay, so let's go back to this 0.777. Okay, I want to, that was, this now was 12,600. Okay. So if let's say you want to set your take profit and stop loss in advance and then go to sleep, okay, or walk away from the trade, okay, just click this button here or here. Okay, this is for longing, this is for shorting. So now we are shorting. So obviously I will need to click this button. Okay, so where would I want to take profit? So let's say slightly below 78. So I want to take profit at 0.0007. Okay, slightly below 78. Okay, maybe 775. Okay, then where is my stop loss?
I think you exceeded. Yeah.
Yeah, somebody is awake. The rest are sleeping. Okay, this is my stop loss. I'm not going to take profit here. I'm shorting. Okay, so this is my stop loss, 0.0775. Just slightly below 78. Maybe 77.5 or something like that. Okay, this is my stop loss. Then my take profit, I don't want to set. Okay, because I want to see how it goes. Okay, see whether it goes below this support or not. Ideally, I want to take profit here. Obviously, right? Okay. But if you want to set your take profit in advance, can go ahead. Okay, let's say I want to take profit here. Here would be 77. Seven. 10. 0.77. Okay, this is my take profit. This is my stop loss somewhere here. .07795 stop loss. 0.7710. Okay, correct or not, guys? Am I right? Sure. Okay, so you see, when you key in your stop loss over here, right? You can see how much you will lose over here. Okay, now this figure is very important. okay, we recommend the 5% rule. Okay, you all remember what is the 5% rule? That means we don't risk more than 5% of our account size in a trade. Okay, so this is the amount that you are risking if your stop loss is hit. Okay, based on this setup. Okay, based on this setup. Okay, these prices. Okay, this entry point, this stop loss. Okay. So if let's say your account is has $1,000, okay, that means each trade you can't risk more than $50. Okay, so based on this setup now, I'm only risking $3.15, which is very far away from my $50, right? So in other words, what can we do? Can someone tell me what can we do?
Increase quantity bought or increase stop loss.
No, we don't increase stop loss. Okay, this is our setup.
Oh, okay. So increase quantity only.
You want to make more money, then increase quantity lah, right? It means instead of paying $99, okay, now maybe I can, let's see whether I can pay 10 times or not. I cannot lah, not possible lah. It can lah. Okay, it's still only $31. That means my position size goes up to 9,000. Okay, goes up to $8,000 over dollars. Okay, why did it change? Yep. Okay, that means I can pay up to $900 for this trade. Okay, and yet I still will not go above my 5% rule. Of course, how much you can pay depends on how much money you have in your account, right? If your account don't have $900, obviously you can't enter the trade. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a very important figure. Always pay attention to this figure. Okay. Why change back to 110,000 again? Okay, never mind. Okay, you all get the picture now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So if let's say you guys want to use dollars, then very simple. Okay. Okay, what was stop loss again? 0.0 what?
0.7795.
Okay, so very simple. Just play around with the figure here until this figure is $50. Yeah, okay. So let's say based on this setup, you can't pay more than $1,550 for the trade. Because anything more than that, you will exceed your $50, your 5% rule. Okay. Of course, you can move your stop loss. Okay, let's assume, right? You find that this stop loss is too tight. You want to have a further you want to have a stop loss further away from your entry. Okay, so let's assume you choose 0.07825. Okay, that will be your stop loss, 0.07825. Okay, you want your stop loss further away. Okay. So you can see if you stick to this cost, obviously your expected loss will go up because now your stop loss is further away from your entry, which means you're incurring a bigger risk. So obviously you need to reduce your costs to keep to within the 5% rule. 750, no, 700. Okay, 700. That means you cannot spend more than 700 now if you were to move your stop loss away from your entry. Can you understand? Okay, this is not only risk management, this is also money management. And it's very important. Do you understand what I'm doing, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, I understand.
Only
Yes.
one. If you don't understand, don't be shy. Say you don't understand. Because it's very important, all right? Risk and money management is very important for a trader.
Yeah. You just know, because this one is the hedging mode, right? Then the amount of money that you use for this trade, right, would be $700 divided by 10, is it?
No, $700.
So per trade, that means you kind of use $700 to trade.
Yep.
And then if your balance is 980, then let's say after this trade, your balance would have 280 for you to do other things.
Yeah. Correct.
So the leverage already factored in.
The leverage will be 7,000. The position size. Okay, this is the cost. Okay. If you, as I said, if you go by this, right? Order by quantity. This exceed already, so 7,700 will be somewhere around, let's try 9,000. Okay, it's around 90,000, $700. Okay, your position size will be 6993. Okay, because 10x leverage, so 10 times 700 is about 7,000. Okay, but because this price here includes your fees. You get a point? Okay,
got it.
but if you change to US dollars, then your cost is $700. Okay, but it doesn't show the position size. That's why I don't like to use USDT. Okay, it's individual preference, guys. All right, up to you. You want to use order by cost USDT or order by quantity. It's up to you. Okay, it's personal preference. I prefer order by quantity because I'm used to it. I've been trading like that since 2017. Okay, suddenly you ask me to trade using order by cost, I am not comfortable. Okay, so over here I can see my quantity, I can see my cost, and I can see my order value. If you choose order by USDT, you can only see order by cost. Okay, I cannot find any order by quantity here. Okay, like I said, individual preference. Okay, anyway, remember we have to switch this to one-way mode. Okay, and when you switch to one-way mode, you can only order by quantity. So my advice is, okay, stick to order by quantity. It's like switching from iOS to Windows or Windows to iOS. For the FTX traders, for those new traders, then it shouldn't be a problem to you if you have never traded on FTX. Okay, all the exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, BitGet, Bybit, whatever exchanges, okay, most of them go by order by quantity. So my suggestion is to get used to trading using order by quantity, because other exchanges use this order by quantity. Okay, they seldom go by order by cost. Okay, that's my advice lah. Okay, ultimately, at the end of the day, it's up to you guys. Okay. Is it okay? Any questions?
I have one question. How can we get access to the trading view screener for the new students?
Okay. I will put it in the, in actual fact, it's in the Discord group already. So,
Oh, okay. So once we get added, we can just get it from there. Lah.
all right.
Okay, got it.
So, yeah. Okay, how is Ben doing, guys? Ben, is it at our overbought area already? Okay, never mind, guys. Let's okay, let's try to place an entry here, a limit order. Okay, at 1.860. Hopefully it goes up, it hits our entry and then it comes back down. Right. Over here. And let's see what is the risk. Okay, the risk is very small, it's only 2%. Okay, so this will be your stop loss. Okay. Right. So for today's practice, let's short ban because FLM already run away from us. So but like I said, it could go back up to 0.0777. Okay. Okay, let's short these two tonight. Okay, put in a small amount for practice FLM and ban. Okay, ban entry would be around here lah. Okay, the blue line, which is about 1.86. Here's about 1.86. Okay. Okay, we ladder in 1.86, 1.87, and 1.88. Do you all know how to ladder in?
No. How do I do that?
Okay. So first, we need to establish where is our stop loss, which is about, okay, we put it at 1.9, okay, above the previous high. So stop loss is 1.9. Okay, entry would be 1.868788. Ban, ban. Let's go to ban. Okay, stop loss 1.9, yeah. Entry 1.86. Okay, so as you can see from here, right, if I put $1,000 as cost, it will exceed our 5% already, right? So we cannot put $1,000. Can we put 900? No. 400? Cannot. 200? 250? Exceed. 270? Cannot also. 210? Okay, 210. Let's how about 240 there? Okay, 240 exit. Okay, let's keep it at 210. All right. This is definitely below our 5%. Okay. Okay. Okay, but we need to key in 3 entries. Am I right, guys? Correct?
Yes.
1.86, 1.87, 1.88, we ladder in. Okay, which means each order, okay, we need to divide this figure by 3. It means 1.86. Divide by 3 is how much? Hello, guys. Divide by 3 is how much?
70.
Okay. So that means first order 1.86, we can only put in 70, not 210. Okay, not 1.86, 210, 1.87, 210, 1.88, 210. No. That if you put that, you will definitely exceed $50 if all the entries are filled. Okay. Remember, we cannot exceed 5% of our account size. Okay, we can go lesser, but we cannot go more. All right. So 1.86, first order 70, stop loss 1.9. Take profit. Where do we want to take profit? Okay, guys, where do we want to take profit? Hello, where should we take profit? Anyone help? Where should we take profit? Hey guys, y'all don't know where to take profit. Hello.
Previous low?
Yeah, finally someone answered. Thank you. Who's that?
Celine?
Celine. Previous low.
Or support level? Or
Oh,
yeah,
give you 2
whichever.
stars. 2 stars for you. The rest all no stars for you. No cookies, no candies. Nothing for you guys. Okay. Reverse low and support. All right. Okay, this one too far away lah. Don't know whether it hit or not. Let's go for a short trade. So 1.8 lah, Okay, 1.8. Switch back to 15 minutes. Okay, assuming our entry is here, 1.8 here. Okay, stop loss here. So definitely risk to reward ratio 1.5. Good, can trade. Worth the risk tonight. 1.8. Okay, so take profit 1.8. First order. Okay, entry price 1.6, cost 70, take profit 1.8, stop loss 1.9. Open a short position. Okay, make sure everything is fine. Okay, if everything is okay. Is it okay, guys? Any mistake here?
All okay.
That's a mistake. See whether you can spot or not. There is a mistake.
Cross.
You're right. Who's that again?
Celine?
Aline, you got 3 stars tonight.
Thank you.
Yeah, give you 3 stars. Yep. The rest all no minus stars. Not only no stars, minus. Yay. Isolated, remember, Oh, this one
Can we
boring.
set it to automatically change to isolated? Why always it will change
Ah.
back to cross one?
Because they want you the whole account to get liquidated, then they can make more money.
Oh yeah, makes sense. Okay.
So far, I still haven't found an automatic method yet. Okay, so make sure you set to isolated. Okay, confirm. I must key in again, I'm seeing. Okay, entry price, what was it again?
1.86,
Okay. Order,
70,
okay. Take profit,
1.8, and 1.9.
okay, who's that? Either
Brian.
Ryan, okay, I give you 2 stars. Okay, so short, now let's check again. Everything correct or not? Ta-da.
Yes.
Okay, yes, trust you all. Okay, so you have an active order here. All right, so you see your take profit, stop loss already set. Okay, short, okay, blah, blah, blah. All right, next order, 1.87. Okay, so the rest remain unchanged. Take profit, 1.8. Stop loss, 1.9. Open another short position. Okay, and the next last one, 1.8. Okay, short, take profit, 1.8, stop loss 1.9. Done. Okay, that's how you ladder in your orders.
Kelvin, what's the benefit of laddering in the order? Why are we doing this?
Okay, because we don't know how high the price will go. Okay, let's say if you put 1.88. Okay, what if the price goes to 1.869 and then come back down?
Oh, okay, I understand now.
Understand, right? So
Yes.
that's why my advice is I always ladder in, because we don't know how high the price will go or how low the price will go. Right? If you just put one figure, let's say you think, okay lah, since Kelvin say 1.86, 1.87, 1.88, okay, I put 1.88 lah. I put 1.87 lah, right in the middle. What if it goes to 1.869 and then comes back down? Right? You LL, right? Or what if it goes all the way to 1.88, then come back down? Or 1.89, then come back down. So obviously we want our entries to be as high as possible if we are shorting.
Okay, I understand now. Thank you.
Okay, so for those of you who don't understand, I hope you understand now why we ladder in. Okay, so can we all do this? Can you all do this? Now?
Yes, done.
Kelvin, when you submit the short, right, the liquidation price is 1.96 or 1.97. Is it very close?
Wait, where's the liquidation price?
Like for example, when you key in this 1.88 at $70, just now was the first entry was 1.86. Then my stop loss is 1.9.
Yeah.
Take profit 1.8. Then the liquidation price is quite near.
Okay, as long as your stop loss is below the liquidation price, is okay.
Oh, okay. So the liquidation price won't affect, if let's say the prices shoot up very fast,
then hopefully it hit your stop loss. Okay, anyway, the take profit and stop loss orders here are all market orders. So that means confirm will hit one. Just that we don't know what price only. So if the price will go up very fast, like rocket, so it may you may not get out at 1.9. You may get out at 1.91, 92, 93, 94. You may even get out at 2 if let's say the price will go up very fast. Okay, that's the thing about market order.
Yeah, but the liquidation price is 1.97. That means your position all liquidated. then cannot get out already, right?
At least your position get all liquidated. It's fine because your risk is how much? How much is your risk?
Which is still within your 5%, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Understood.
Yeah, because we are doing isolated. If we are doing
That's
cross
why I
margin,
said
then
don't
very,
ever
very
use
dangerous.
cross, never use
Yeah.
cross. That's why. That's
Okay.
what I always
Okay, I understand.
Okay. So you only lose whatever amount you put in. Okay, have you all keyed in your orders?
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry, Calvin, just got a quick question. Is there any reason why you wouldn't do like a conditional? So if it was to trigger a price and then add you into the order once it confirms a downtrend further?
Okay, good questions. Very good question. I'm going to go to that later. Don't worry.
Right, easy. Thank you.
Okay, guys. By the way, don't put so much money. Okay. Don't follow me and put 70 order by. Hey, why order by cost now? Right. Remember this. Your stop loss, the amount here is based on what you have in your account. If your account only at $100, obviously you can't follow what I did. Okay, you can't put 70 over here. 70 band, obviously you can't. Okay, so you see that my total I'm risking is 210 band, right? Based on 10x leverage. Okay, that means if I were to get liquidated, I will only lose $39. Because this is my cost. So obviously, if I get stopped out at my stop loss, okay, I will lose lesser than $39 lah. Okay, so you can use this calculator to calculate your liquidation price. That means the price at which you will get liquidated. So let's say I'm shorting. Okay, I'm using a 10x leverage for this trade, right? 10x. Okay, my quantity was 210. So my entry price is how much? Let's take the middle, like 1.87. So my approximate liquidation price will be 1.98. Okay, if it's 1.88, then it's 1.992. If it's 1.86, then it's 1.97. So basically it's around that 1.97. Okay, 1.98. Okay, let's take 1.97. That means my stop loss has to be below 1.97. Okay. So if you look at the chart, you want to choose a higher stop loss. Okay, it may not be possible. Okay, because everything depends on your liquidation price. Okay, I mean, over here still can. This is 1.95 because our liquidation price is 1.97. But no point choosing such a high stop loss. Because the higher the stop loss, the lower your take profit has to be in order to be worth it. Okay, in order for your risk to reward ratio to be 1.5. So I'm happy with this setup. So we see how it goes, right? So there are only a few directions the price can go. One is it goes all the way up, hit our stop loss, we get stopped out for less than 5% of our for a loss of less than 5% of our account size. Okay, or it goes horizontal. Okay, tomorrow you wake up, the price is still horizontal. Okay, our orders are still not filled yet. So if that's the case, normally I will cancel it. Okay, or tonight the price go up and then come down. Okay, we make money. Okay, our orders get filled and then the price comes down. Okay. If this plays out properly, lah. Okay. Or the price goes down from here onwards, which means our order is not filled. So if that's the case, also cancel your order, okay, tomorrow morning when you wake up. That's all. All right. Shit, we miss FLM. Well, hopefully Ben plays out like that lah. Okay, FLM, forget it. Don't play already, all right? Already zao. No point. No point even entering limit orders. I don't want to play you. Okay. Okay. Any questions regarding this particular order so far? No?
No, all good. Thank you.
Everyone all good? You know how to key in your orders already? Right? All good, huh? Okay. Okay, now let's practice another coin. Just now we are talking about DYDX. Nice.
But we
DYDX,
still need to wait for the stochastic to point out, right?
a bit dangerous because it's the MACD
Because
has
the MACD has fallen below zero.
Yeah, lor. So if it doesn't come back up, probably DYD will go down. That means the 10 EMA will cross the 21 EMA. Okay, which is a warning sign.
For downtrend.
Yep, that means a change of trend. That means instead of long, we short, but now we don't know. Okay. We don't know. Okay, if it could bounce back up. Let's see. Let's see XRP, whether it broke out from the trend line or not. You know, broke out, came back down. Okay, let's go and find any coins from the screener. Hey guys, any pump and dump or not? If you all found any pump and dump, let me know. Let us know. Chuan. Guys, you want to play World Cup coin? Do you think the World Cup coin will continue to go up during the World Cup? World Cup starts tomorrow. Or do you think when it starts, it'll dump? What do you think? Our goal is a World Cup coin. They sponsor FIFA World Cup.
Hey, bro, go check out Algo.
Yeah lah, I just thought about algo. What? Ask you for opinion. Do you think you will continue to pump or not during the World Cup?
Algo. I don't think so.
Kevin, there's a pump on T coin. You want to take a look?
What coin?
T
T.
slash USD. I've never seen this coin before. Also,
I've never heard of this coin before. What T/USD?
yeah,
This T.
yeah,
I think it's a stable coin.
it's a stable coin, huh?
I think so lah.
It's
It's
a
not listed on Bybit.
I use Bybit leh.
Okay.
Oh, it's spot.
It's not
Sorry.
a stable coin. It's not a stable
Sorry.
coin. I
Yeah,
don't know what coin this is.
it's a spot. Ignore me.
Spot ah.
Yeah, it's a spot.
You no idea what this coin is. Okay, let's pick a coin to long. Okay, iOS.
What about CEEK?
What?
CEEK.
Yeah, what about the coin?
Is pumping a bit.
Okay. Pump how many percent already?
1%.
Huh? 1% only. No, it's going back up. It is going back up. Hmm. Okay, guys, track LRC. Okay, track it. It just bounced off 200 MA. Track. Track LRC for long. IMX. No, sound already, run already. 1 inch. Three. Guys, are yours checking? Can you find a coin to long?
How about ANT USDT?
And is it ANT and?
Yeah, ANT.
Okay, guys. Keep track of dash on DASH. Enter. Okay, someone drew on my chart. Who's that? Who drew something on my chart? Here. Hello. Someone drew something on my chart over here. This thing here. Ether, is it you or not?
No, I didn't pick anything.
So who drew something here on my chart? Yeah. There, you see this?
Maybe you right click and see whether who annotated that law.
Can I right click? Cannot.
I think someone accidentally pressed in Zoom. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I don't know who drew. Okay, never mind. Okay, enter. I don't like to trade. Okay, when the lines are crisscrossing like that. When the moving averages. Okay. I don't normally trade this kind of patterns, right? Oh, but there's a possibility to go long. There's a bullish engulfing candlestick over here. Okay, and it's sitting at support. This support is obviously on an uptrend. The stochastic looks to be going up. I don't know. Like I said, I don't like to trade it when the stochastic is like this. Okay. But if you all want to trade, you can go ahead. Who's that who called this out?
Me.
Brian, right?
Yeah, Brian.
Yeah, I mean, you can trade this if you want to. There's a bullish engulfing candlestick. But like I said, I don't like to trade this kind of chart. Okay, when the moving averages are crisscrossing one another. I like it when all three are like going up in a horizontal line.
If it goes horizontal means more obvious, right?
Yeah, like something like this lah. Okay. So
Kevin, how about XEM? XEM, the MACD seems to be crossing. And the stock RSI is like going into 20.
it pump already and then come back down.
So over liao lah.
But then we have to go lower time frame to see already now. I don't want to trade so low lah, time frame, right?
Okay.
No, this
But
one.
if this kind of signals come out on the 1 hour chart, would it be right to?
Then we look at the 15, see how it plays out lah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is after a dump. Okay, after a dump, people buy, push. Okay, then I don't know which idiot sell over here, push back the price down. Okay, then I don't know where the price will want to go now lah. So don't want to play this. Interesting. Good. Let's try Storch. Okay, let's go for Storch. Okay, use market order. Just use market order and long Storch. Okay, but don't buy too much. Okay. Use market order. Stop loss. Here. Wait, can go lower lah. No problem. Okay. It's still around 1-2%. 313, 31, stop loss 3125. So entry will be around now, 3175. Storage. 3175. Long. 5. Okay. Oh, just nice. $50. Hey guys, don't follow me, okay? Because your account is different from mine.
Yeah, just look at the stop loss
Get it,
number, right?
Yeah, your stop loss 3125, your entry price 3175. You look at this number. This is okay. This number must be less than 5% of your account size. Right. Anyway, I don't want to put so much in. Okay, 5,000. 3-1. Okay, anyway, we're going to use a market order. Okay. So, okay, there could be more downside, so I'm not going to put all in. I'm not going to go all in to one order. All right, I'm going to break it.
Ladder up.
I'm going to ladder, but the first market order is one third of your entry. Okay, probably I'm going to put like 2,000. Yeah, $10. Okay, so I'm going to long it. Let's use market order. One. Stop loss 0. Okay, don't set take profit first. Just have your stop loss and your entry and market, and then just click. Okay, market order. So your order will be in. Have you all done that, guys? Do a market order and your stop loss. If you have
Yes.
done it, hit done. Say done. 29 of you. I want to hear 29 dones. So only one person done. The rest all not done.
Kelvin,
Yep.
check with you. Because when you click on the market, right, then you selected the cross. You didn't change to isolated, right?
Oh, jala. So how?
So the proper way is to change to isolated first before you key in the price. 对吗?
Done.
Don't worry. Okay, can still come back and change one.
Okay.
Done, isolated. So don't worry.
Okay.
Don't panic. Next time you shit, forget to change the isolated jala. You bite your fingers and all your fingernails are gone. You bite until all gone. So don't worry, right? Can always come back and switch it back. Guys, have you all?
Yes, done.
If not, we cannot continue. Okay, give you all 5 more minutes to key in your market order.
Hey, Calvin, any reason why we're doing market order and not the limit for this one?
Because I want you all to have an entry so that I can show you how to use conditional.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, normally I don't use market order. Okay, As I said, I use limit order. But for this hands-on purpose, I need you all to have a position so that I can go to the conditional. I can share with you all how to use the conditional order. Okay, so all done. Okay, so once you have your order, right? You have your stop loss, but you don't have a take profit, correct? Okay.
Yes.
Now you can come over here to use your conditional. In actual fact, as I said, these orders here are market orders, right? So if let's say you don't like to use market orders because you don't want to pay higher fee, then you don't use this. Okay, you don't use this. So let's come over here and cancel this market order. How to cancel? Okay, make it to 0 and then confirm. Then it's gone. If you want to add it back later on, just add it back lah. Okay, take profit, stop loss. Key in your take profit, key in your stop loss, click confirm.
Sorry, why did we change the stop loss to 0?
Cancel it.
Yeah, why cancel the stop loss?
Because you don't want to use market order. You don't want to pay more fees. You want to use a limit order. Okay, this is a market order. I repeat again. So as we know, market orders, we pay more fees. So some people don't like to pay more fees. So if you don't want to pay more fees, then you can't use this feature here. Okay, you would need to use a conditional order. Okay, conditional orders, you can set limit or market order.
So Calvin, does that cancel the trade or just cancel the stop
It will
loss?
just cancel the stop loss. The trade is here. The trade is not cancelled.
Okay, sure.
All right. Okay. So how to set conditional order? Very simple. Just click conditional. This is a long, right? So make sure it's a short. Later you click short. You don't go and click another open. Okay. So when you use a conditional order, okay, remember, make sure this is a one-way mode. Oh no. Just now, did y'all remember to click one-way mode?
No, we didn't. I didn't.
Yep, neither did I. Okay. Okay, since we are here, right? I forgot to click the one-way mode. Okay. So why do we need to click one-way mode? Because if we use a hedge mode, we can't use the conditional order to set a stop loss. Unfortunately, okay, because this is a hedge for a hedge mode. So if you were to set a short, okay, normally for a long order, okay, if we want to set a stop loss, we open a short position. Am I right? Okay, but because we are in a hedge mode, so if you open a short position, you actually open another position. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, so no choice. We cannot use limit order for stop loss. We have to use this. Then, unfortunately, okay. So type back our stop loss 0.3125. Here our stop loss. Take profit. Take profit. Okay, I want maybe 3275 lah. 0.3275. Okay, my stop loss, my take profit. So which means we have to choose another coin. Okay, guys, dash. Go to dash. Dash. Okay, make sure this time we choose one-way mode.
Will there be a difference, Kelvin, if we choose the hedge?
I already explained earlier.
Okay, I will look at your repeat.
Watch the video again. Okay.
Okay.
Where your TPSL is a selected position. Okay, make sure it's one-way mode.
And also isolated.
Yeah. Okay, this one also important because later on you can change. So if you forget, never mind. But this one, you forget, that's it. You cannot change, right? If your order is entered on a hash mode, you cannot change back to one-way mode. So unfortunately, our stop is, okay, we have to use this for take profit and stop loss. We cannot use the limit. Yep.
Just now the stocks, right? We never changed the cost to isolated. Then under the setting, the we are still on hedge and entire position stop loss.
What?
On the previous one, the stocks, right? Our preference is set on TPSL power position, not the selected position under the settings.
Yeah, so
we need to change to selected position, right?
now you can't change already.
Oh, so every time we do
change and you entered the order and the order is filled, okay, you cannot change back anymore.
Okay.
So you need to change first.
All right. Okay.
So and then this one, the difference between selected position and entire position is if you select entire position, okay, over here you cannot set take partial profit. You cannot use it to take partial profit. Okay. If you set it as selected positions, okay, you can use this to take partial profit. All right. Okay. Dash. Okay, let me look again. Right. So stop loss, put it here lah. Less than 1%. If you guys want, you can put it lower. It's still less than 1%. So we take this lah. Okay. Make it 34. below this 34.8, 34.75 stop loss. Okay, trigger price, market order, stop loss 34.75, quantity 10, 45. Okay, so again, I make sure this is less than 5% of your entire account size. Okay, done, guys. Dash market order.
Yes, yes, done.
Okay. So again, I repeat. Okay, you have your stop loss over here. If you click details, okay, that is your stop loss 37.45. It's a market order. Okay. So if you don't like to pay a higher fee, you can cancel it by clicking this dustbin. Okay. Or you can change it, change your stop loss price to higher or lower. Okay. So this feature is very good if you want to move your stop loss up or down to protect your profits. So you can just come here and keep changing your stop loss. All right. Okay. So for now, we'll keep our stop loss as a market order. Okay. Now we want to take profit. Okay. We did not set a take profit. Okay. Take profit, we want to set multiple take profit targets. Okay. TP1, TP2, TP3, for example. Okay. So let's assume my TP1 is
Sorry, Kevin, why my stop loss there don't have the details on? I'm already in one-way mode.
you sure you don't have these details? Then what
Yeah,
do you
mine is exactly like stocks like that one.
exactly like stocks? Are you
No, not exactly like stocks, but it's like a dash slash 34.75.
what do you mean? Okay. You confirm you are in one-way mode?
Yes, confirm.
Then what about this? Is it on selected position?
Ayo, that one wrong. Okay, I change now.
Cannot change
That
already.
one.
I don't think you can change.
Oh,
You
okay.
try to see whether I can change or not. Yeah, you see,
Yes.
it is not allowed to modify, when they are outstanding.
Yeah.
So you cannot modify. So that's why I said, guys, unfortunately, you got to remember to set to one-way mode and selected position. It's okay, right? Anyway, like I said, this is market order. If you can always cancel it and then set a limit order, which is now what I'm going to teach you all to do. Okay. So let's set take profit first. Oh, this thing very irritating. Okay, so let's say TP1. If our entry is somewhere here, okay, let's say our TP1 is here. Our TP2 is here. Okay, then we leave the rest run. Okay, so 35.4. Okay. So I've set maybe 35.3, okay, slightly below the previous high. Okay. So I go to condition order, right? So my trigger price is 35.4, 35.3. Okay, this is the price I want to take profit, 35.3. Okay, so my trigger price should be below, slightly below 35.3. So I put 35.2. Okay, that's my trigger price. This is my order price. That means when the price hits 35.2, okay, this order price of 35.3 will be put into the order book. That's what the trigger price is. Okay, is another way to put it is the trigger price is for you to tell the exchange at what price to put your order price into the order book. Okay, all right. So how many quantity do I want to sell? Okay, my position, I have 30. Okay. So obviously I don't want to sell everything because this is my TP1, my take profit one, or my first take profit point. Okay. So let's say I only want to sell 1/3. That means it's 10 lah. 10. Okay. So, and remember to click close on trigger. Always. That means when the trigger price is reached, okay, your position is closed. Otherwise, it will remain open. It will be a new position. Okay. Initially, when we were at the storage trade, okay, there wasn't this close on trigger because our storage trade was still on hedge mode. So on hedge mode, you cannot use conditional order to place your stop loss. Okay, right? Because on hedge mode, you can only open another position, an opposite position. So now we don't want to open another position. We want to close this trade if our TP1 is hit, okay, which is 35.2. Okay. So always remember, click this close on trigger. Okay. In FTX, this is something like a reduce only. You remember those who traded on FTX before, we have this reduce only. Okay, we must always click that reduce only. So now we must always click the close on trigger. Right? So I'm gonna sell. Sell. Yeah, I have one conditional order. Okay, close long. You can see the trade type is close long. Hit already so fast.
Sorry, Calvin, on your first order, what was the stop loss in there?
Sorry?
On your first order that you put in, the isolated one on the top there, what was your stop loss?
Dash?
Yep, I want that.
34.75.
Oh, okay.
Can I do it again? So close on trigger. This is a long, so it should be a
Sorry, Kevin, can I see your stop loss for the Dash USTD again for positions, not conditionals, for the normal one?
34.75.
And quantity Dash, what should I put? Put all out, is it?
Your quantity is all because you're setting entire position.
Okay, so put all, right? Okay.
You don't want to put all because it's an entire position. Okay, guys, I cannot put a trigger price 35.2 because the price is now 35.25. Okay, so this take profit, forget it. Okay, let's take our TP1 as okay, I'll just make it higher lah. TP1 35.7. Okay, so my order price TP 35.7, 35.7, trigger price 35.6. Okay, quantity 10. Sell. Remember, close on trigger. Okay, so my conditional order is in. This is TP1. Right, you can see over here, TP1. Next, let's say I want my TP2 to be the next previous.
Kelvin, under the active tab, right, there is a dash that appeared after the last one. Do we cancel that one?
Wait nanti. Okay, so I will take this as the next previous high. So my take profit will be slightly below this bunch of candles here. So I'll take 37 as my TP2. Okay. So my next order price will be 37, TP2. Trigger price slightly below 37, 36.9. Okay. Second tranche of take profit. Okay, another 10. So I will click sell. Okay. So you can see over here, right, my TP1 and 2 is set.
Kelvin, you click close on trigger as well.
I didn't click close on trigger, so it is another order. It becomes an open shot. Okay, it's supposed to be a close long. Okay, so that's the reason why you need to click close on trigger. Okay, if you don't click close on trigger, it's going to be another new position. Okay, so click close on trigger. Done. Close long. TP1, TP2. Okay, which you will see over here on the chart. Okay. So I still have another 10 quantity, right? Just let it run. If let's say Dash were to just rocket. Okay. I'll just let it run, or I can set another TP3. Okay, let's say I want to set it at $40. Okay, my TP3. So this will be 39.9. 39.9. Okay, my final order TP3. Okay, click close on trigger, sell. Okay, done. Okay, so my setup is done. I can sleep peacefully.
Kelvin, conditioner, basically we use this when we want to sell at different price, right? That's all, right?
Want to use a
So-
limit order.
Sorry?
When you want to use limit order instead of market order.
Okay, got it. Just now you said what market order, the fees are higher, is it?
Yep. All exchanges are the same. Okay, if you use market orders, you pay a higher fee than a limit order.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay, any questions, guys, here, this part?
Kelvin, one question. Look under the active tab, right? Just now you entered one
Don't
dash.
talk about active tab, whatever first. Talk about this first. Any questions regarding this way of setting your take profit? Anyone, any questions? Yes, no,
No, not for me.
No, all good.
good, huh? Okay, another thing is, guys, y'all can move your take profit up and down. Okay, so let's say you want to change your take profit, you want to move it closer, you can move down. Then now your trigger becomes 38.6. Okay, but when you move your orders up and down, you have to come back here and key in the appropriate figure. For example, let's say this one, you move it down to 38.6. This is your trigger price. Okay, so your trigger price moved. Okay, but your order price still remains at $40. That means it's still there, $40. So if let's say you want to move it closer to your trigger price, this is 38.6. You want to move it to let's say 38.7, then you have to come back here and key in. Okay, 38.7. Then click this tick. Okay, or if you want to move it back higher, let's say you want $41. Okay, so your trigger price will move all the way to, okay, let's say $40.80. So over here it's $40.80, but your order price is still at 38.7, which is nonsense, right? Okay. So you need to come over here and change it. Okay, let's assume $41. Okay, that's what you need to do. Okay, right. Any questions? No questions, I will move on.
No question. Thank you.
Okay, Yuta, your question, what is it?
No,
Earlier?
just now when you do the dash USDT, right? Then I think something triggered an active position. You go to your active position, under the active tab. Then there's this extra, there, the first one. What is that?
Order price. I don't know. Just cancel it lah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Looks proper now. Okay. Thanks.
Maybe it's because the earlier part I forgot to click close on trigger or something like that. Okay. Okay, so this is one way of setting take profit. Okay. So let's set a stop loss using limit orders. Okay, remember our dash? Okay, our stop loss is already here, but it is a market order. So let's say I don't want market order. I cancel it. So no more stop loss. Gone. Okay. So you see your stop loss is gone, disappeared. Right? So how to set a stop loss using market limit order? Same thing, go to conditional. Okay. Your stop order was 34.75. Okay. So trigger price will be slightly above 34.75. So I will put, let's say 35, for example. So that's my trigger price. That means if the price comes down all the way to $35, okay, this order price will be triggered. Okay, it will be placed into the order book. So obviously stop loss quantity must be the maximum quantity lah, 30. Okay. All right. So click close on profit, click sell short. So you have 4 orders here for this particular trade, dash. Okay, so what will happen is when your take profit is, when your stop loss is hit, okay, all these orders will be closed. Because all these orders are closed on trigger. Okay, you can read the description over there. Okay, the close order will only reduce the position size if you have insufficient margin where the close, blah, 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 okay? Basically, that's what it means. So remember, if you want to set limit orders for take profit and stop loss, use conditional order. Okay, always remember to click close on trigger. If you forget, never mind, just cancel it and then come back and retype again. All right.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Same thing, your stop loss can move up and down. Okay. So if let's say you want to move your stop loss further away, remember to come back here and change the order price. So I moved to 34.25. Okay, so obviously my order price should be below the trigger price. So I need to come back here and change to $34, for example. Okay, if your order price is above your trigger price, it will not be, the order price will not be filled. Okay, because the trigger price is below your order price. You understand? For example, let's say your
Yes,
order price is
understand.
$35 and then your trigger price is lower. So the price come down to 35, it will not be sold because it hasn't even triggered yet. Your $35 order is not in the order book yet. You get what I'm saying? So it will not be filled. Then when the price reach $34.25, then your $35 will be put into the order book. By the time it's too late. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so the trigger price must always be hit first before your order price. When you're using limit orders. So some traders, they find this very complicated. I must set up my trigger order, then what order price, trigger price. I use limit order better. Short and sharp, just put one price there. Done. Okay, there's nothing wrong, right? Just that you pay a higher fee for the convenience. Okay? All good? Okay, so I'm going to cancel all my orders. Okay, I'm going to use this, which is much simpler. Okay, so how to use this TPSL market order for setting multiple take profits? It's very simple. Okay, let's say, for example, here, what is this? Okay, let's say I want to take profit at first TP, $37, for example. I just put $37 and I just put 10. Okay, and I put my stop loss. What's our stop loss price, guys? 34.7.
34.75.
Okay. So the quantity must be the same as this. Okay, not 30, it must be the same.
Oh, wow, this one a lot simpler.
Okay, like that, done. First TP. Okay. First TP. Then second one. Come here. Either you cancel or you add another one. So second TP, let's say 39. Okay, let's say down here you want to sell 5. Right. Stop loss the same, 34.75. Okay, remember quantity must be the same as this, 5. That means this is like a second order. Okay. So
Okay, got it.
the first order is filled, your quantity reduced by 10. That means your stop loss also reduced by 10. Then if the next order is filled, your quantity reduced by 5, your stop loss also, the quantity also reduced by 5. That means you have 15 dash left. Okay, so let's say third TP, $40, quantity, let's say 10, 34.75. Okay, stop loss, same, 10. Okay, confirm, done. Okay, so now we are left with 5, right? Then just let it run. So this is much simpler. Agree? That's why you pay a higher fee for the convenience.
Yeah,
Okay.
this one a lot easier to
And
understand.
this is why you need to select take profit stop loss on selected positions. Okay, because if it is an entire position, you cannot set TP1, TP2, TP3. Got it? Got it, guys?
Yes,
Our
yes, got it. Thank you so much.
profit, our storage, losing money, stash also. Never mind. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, Calvin, are we okay to keep the conditionals in there? The ones that we've put previously, or did you want us to cancel those and do it the way that
Yeah,
you just
up to you guys. Since you have already, the purpose of this is to teach you how to, how to use Bybit, how to use conditional orders, how to use these orders here, over here. So ultimately, Up to you guys whether you want to keep the conditional orders or whether you want to use the TPSL over here. Okay, it's a matter of preference, personal preference. Right? Oh yeah, Storch making money. Good. Okay, so do you want to see a cool thing or not?
Yes.
A very cool thing that other exchanges don't have. Want to see?
Yes.
Only one person. Oh, the rest all don't want to see cool thing.
Seen it before. You can perform the magic again.
How you know it's that cool thing I want to show that? Really, is it?
Yeah, because you say only this exchange has
Another cool thing leh? Okay, wait.
switch position.
Who have seen the cool thing? Type in the chat box. Cool. Let me see how many have seen the cool thing. Anybody? Nobody has seen the cool thing except for
Haven't
me.
I want to see now.
Very cool thing, Okay. This one I will use a small quantity to show you, okay? Because this one can lose a lot of money on, but can also make a lot of money. And okay, since it's a demo, okay, I'll use Bitcoin to demo this cool thing. Hey, why so slow? Guys, are you facing the same problem on your Bybit?
Just now afternoon, I faced for like 10 minutes.
10 minutes, so long.
Afternoon, when I was doing the class with Brad.
Okay.
Well, now mine is okay.
Mine is okay. It looked quite instantly.
So must be internet problem.
Or is it due to your Zoom also? You mentioned Zoom and
You also use
Bybit
Zoom.
at the same time.
You also use
Oh yeah,
Zoom.
true. You're right.
See my internet. Okay, come out already. Okay, good. Okay, I'll just buy a small amount of Ethereum. Okay, so let's assume, guys, you have a position. Okay, you have an active position, right? So this is very good for scalping, or very good for trading in a channel. Okay, what do I mean by trading in a channel? That means the price is going horizontal, okay, within a channel. Okay, let's assume, okay, this is Bitcoin trading in a channel, is in a horizontal channel. Okay, or in a diagonal channel, okay, whatever, right? Trading in a channel. It's very good for scalping. Okay. So what we do is when the price is trading in the channel is very simple. Okay. When the price is at support, we long. When it's at resistance, we short. When it's at support, we long. That's all. Very simple, right? Okay. At support, we long. At resistance, we short. Okay, we comes down to support again, we long, we short. Okay, basically long, short, long, short, long, short. So normally what we do is, if we don't have this cool feature, which I'm going to show you next, okay, we need to close the order first. Let's say we long. Over here we long. Okay, the price, okay, let's say over here we open a long position. When Bitcoin goes up to here, okay, right, we need to close the long position first, and then only we can enter and key in our short position. Okay, so that takes time. Agree? That takes time. Okay, we need to close this, then after that open another new order, start keying in everything again. Okay, all right, that takes time. But in Bybit, we have this cool feature, okay, which we don't need to exit the order at all. Okay, all we need to do is just click this. Okay, okay, this is a long order. So see what happens if I click this. Okay, in reverse position.
Oh, so you just click this and it becomes short for you.
Yep. Okay, normally it's not so slow one, okay, because Zoom and no.
Oh, so you can just see the, what
so
did you call it?
The entire
line.
order still, okay, blah blah blah. It becomes short. So what happens here is you have a closed P&L, okay? Oh shit, because I clicked 2 times. Okay, right. So you automatically close the first order for you and then open a new order for you. So let's say if I click again. Now this is a short position. I think so lah. Okay, wait, let me see.
Yeah, it's a short position. Red, right?
It's a red. Okay, it's a short position. So let's say I were to click it. So you see, close short for me, open a long position for me. So now it's a long. Cool, right?
Yeah, this one very convenient.
Yeah. So so far only Bybit has this feature. So it's like I say, it's very good for scalping, you know, especially when the price is trading in the range.
Scalping, what's the benefit? So you just keep earning a bit when it goes up, go down, goes up, go down, is it?
Up, go down, just long shot, long shot, long shot, like roller coaster like that.
Okay.
Okay, but if you don't know how to play this, you'll keep losing. Look, like I said, it's all minus.
What's the
Alright.
risk with this one, Kelvin?
Sorry?
What's the risk that you see with doing that? Like you were saying that it's very risky, but very high reward.
You mean this?
With the reverse, what's the
Uh-huh.
risk that you see? You did say that it was a high risk, high reward thing. Is the
Uh,
risk that the market will decide to go the opposite way and you reversed it too soon?
Okay, I didn't say it's a high risk, high reward thing. I said that it's a very convenient tool for people who like to scalp.
And scalping is just trading within the channel, yes?
Yeah, and trading and for short time frame. That means you go in and out many times, let's say in an hour or whatever, you know?
Right. And does it charge more fees or anything like that? Or is that just the same?
It's a market order.
Okay.
It's a market order. Okay, so okay, when you get more advanced, okay, you can try this, right? But if you don't know what you're doing, you can actually lose a lot of money. I mean, if you anyhow click lah, so it will be all minus, 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 minus. If you don't know what to do.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Thank you.
Obviously, for this practice, obviously it will be minus because the price hardly move, right? Okay. So as I said, what you do is when wait for the price to come to support, you open a long position. Okay. Then sit there, monitor the price. When it hits a resistance, you just, instead of clicking close position, you just flip it. Automatically, your long position will close for you. Okay. And a new short position will be open. So if you want to trade like that, there's no way you can put a stop loss. No chance. Okay, you don't need a stop loss. Okay, if you want to scalp, there's no way to put a stop loss. All right? Because even if you put a stop loss, once you flip it, okay, your stop loss position will be automatically cancelled. Then you need to key in a new set of stop loss for your opposite position. Okay, anyway, it's a cool feature lah. Huh? If y'all want to do scalping in the future, you can use this feature here. All right. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Got it.
Regarding Bybit. Questions, guys, come on. Okay, anyway, trading is all a matter of patience. Okay, finding the right trade, choosing the right coins, right? Sometimes you can spend 1 hour without even finding a good coin to trade. So if that's the case, then don't trade for the night, right? So sometimes within 5 minutes, you are able to spot a good trade. Then just go in lah. All right. Okay, guys, any questions before we call it a night for Bybit training?
No, all good. Thank you so much, Kevin.
All good, huh? Okay.
Not from me. Thanks, Kevin, for your time.
Okay, so let's call it a night. Tomorrow is Sunday, right? You all have a lot of time to practice on your Bybit account. So go and practice. Okay, so see you guys. Have a good night.
Thank you.
All right,
Good
thank you
night.
so much, Kevin.
Thank
See you
you.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Kevin.
Let's go. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, goodbye.
Go, Kevin.
Trading tomorrow.
Yeah, live trading tomorrow, same time, same channel. Bring your
Okay.
coins. Okay.
Okay.
Kelvin.
Thank you, Kevin. Good night.
Hello. Kelvin.
Yep. Yes.
If I just now I enter, I forgot to click the isolated. Just go in and press isolated.
Yeah. Just go back in and press isolated.
Then the just now when do the market order, right? Then I have this.
For example, you see over here, I forgot to press isolated, right? So just go to the coin. Okay, then come to here.
Come to there and change.
Isolated.
Okay. Yeah, I did that. Then on the conditional thing, because when we use market order, we fill the market order, then the stop loss. Then on the conditional, do I still need to set the stop loss thing or no need? I just have the three conditional for the TP.
If you have one here, stop loss here, you cannot set another stop loss. You need to cancel one or the other.
Sorry, Calvin, what was that?
Cancel which one?
Sorry?
What was that, Calvin? You just said that. Sorry.
If you have a conditional stop loss, right?
Yep.
I mean, you have set a stop loss using conditional order. You cannot set another stop loss over here.
Oh yeah. By the way, this add thing,
this is a market order. So you need to cancel one or the other.
Right. But if you're canceling out or you're taking profit from the long, so I've got the conditional closed longs.
You can only have one or the other. Either here or the conditional order. You can't have both. A conditional take profit order and a market take profit order here. No, the system doesn't allow you to do that.
Can you have a conditional closed long and then a market stop loss?
Like that can.
Okay, cool.
Have two of the same. You can't have that.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Yep. Sophia?
I do have because I thought I couldn't see. I remember I did the market order to place the market order and set the stop loss. Yeah, I couldn't see. So I go and create the conditional, it accept. So I should remove one of the stop loss at the conditional. Right.
Yep.
Then I don't have the add detail thing. How to turn it on?
You mean this one?
Yeah, you have this add. Yeah, I don't have.
Okay, then you have to check whether your preference.
Everything correct. One way and selected position. Mine is selected position. Okay.
Because that position is entire position. That's why you don't have add.
No, I do set selected.
No, this one is a entire position. Yours is a selected position. That's why you don't have an add. You get what I mean? Okay.
Okay, so mine is correct. So I need to go to conditional there and set the
No need.
Because I don't have TP. So I need to go to conditional there and set the 3 TP.
Sophia, I suggest you look through the video again.
No, you're saying this add thing and detail is if we set one way and entire position, correct? Then you have this add thing come up. Are you saying that?
I suggest you look through the video again. All right. It doesn't matter whether here is add or details or what, okay? If you want to use market order for your take profit and stop loss, okay, you use whatever is here. It may be an add, it may be, I don't know what is shown on your panel. Okay, what is it shown on your panel over here under TP and SL?
Under TP and I don't have that column. Only got unrealized.
You don't have this column? Are you sure?
Yeah. Yes. I can send you the picture. I don't have.
Anybody have that problem or don't have this thing here?
Yeah, I send you my screenshot. I don't have your
Okay, guys, y'all can go back already. I mean, if you need to sleep, okay, the session has ended.
Then I send you the screenshot. Then for yours you have the timestamp.
I don't know why you don't have this.
Then yours have the timestamp. I don't have the timestamp. Like after I only got unrealized P&L, then realized close. That's all. You see the screenshot that I sent?
Anyone has that problem? If you are still on.
You see the screenshot already?
Sorry, Kellen, what was the problem again?
She doesn't have this
I don't have
column. So anyone has the same problem? You don't see this column at all?
No, I think I'm good.
Yeah, for me also, it's realized P&L, TP, SL, all is there, trailing stop.
Oh,
is it because
TP,
is your screen squeezed? Do you expand your screen or?
You might have to scroll to the right.
Probably.
Is it not squeezed?
Yeah, can you expand the screen like that?
How you expand that again?
Oh yeah, you probably, Sophia, you probably need to expand your screen. Okay, see if I expand my screen, there are some more things like trailing stop and ADL. Okay, I don't know what ADL is, and I don't suggest you all use trailing stop. Okay, for now. Okay, right. So yeah, probably.
How to expand the screen?
Yeah. Okay. So if let's say I zoom in, right, then I won't see the stop P&L lah. So I need to zoom out.
Sorry, how you zoom out?
Okay, you go to your browser, you see this view. Okay, when you go up, you will see a menu, file, edit, view.
Okay. View.
Okay, if you go up to your
zoom.
Chrome menu, you will see view. So when you move your mouse to view, a menu will drop down. You can see actual size, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so you need to zoom out.
Okay. Zoom out. Then zoom out further.
Yeah, zoom out further until you see the TPSL.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Have already? Should have.
Yes. So
okay.
this one ready.
Yep, so you need to zoom out TPSL.
So I just, you see, it can be either way set the TP. So I just set the conditional 3 TP for that.
You all need to go and decide whether you want to use limit order or market order.
Yeah, I use this.
Limit order, you use conditional order. Okay, market order, you use this column here, this feature.
Column, the add thing.
Yep. Okay. When you use conditional order, remember to click close on trigger.
Yes.
Yeah, repeat again. So this, your preferences, okay, make sure it is one-way mode and TPSL on selected positions.
Yeah, select the position, correct.
Okay, so all done.
And isolated, all done. Yeah.
Okay. Anything, go back and watch the video again. Okay, so good night, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Sophia, all good? Good night.
Yeah. Yes.
All good,
so
Sophia?
Just list the item, yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
don't worry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, good night.
Good night.
Night.